forever we will be. And ever when I'm gone, you've been carrying me forever. Yan, nakailang minutes na? 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Once a dream that we were gone, I cried out trying to find you. Uy, nag-ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot yung aking internet. Buti dito hindi, oh. Nabitin tayo, Okay, naka 6 minutes and 50 seconds na. The playing kay AGP. Uy, mag-ikot-ikot, oh. Nag-ikot-ikot, oh. Ano ba yan naman? Nabitin pa tayo. Wala ng mga internet ngayon. Nag-ikot-ikot man. Buti yung isa hindi umikot. Isa cellphone ko. Na isa, nag-play, oh. Oh, nakasibil yun yan. By the way, place, awaken me. But nights of the hole in my heart and left me with no one to follow. The love that I lost to the dark, I always remember. Forever in my heart, forever here you'll be. And now that we're gone, you've been up to me. Forever in my life. Mary Joy Jardel, you always stood up here. I'll be yours. Shout out po. Hello, hello, support. Thank you, Mary G. Mary Joy. Oy, naka 8 minutes and 45 seconds na. Oy, GP, oh. Namaya tayo magbabakas. Malapit na magtapos yung video. Forever. Thank you so much. Ma'am Mary G. Ano ba yun? Pangalan nun? Mary Joy. Shout out po, Ma'am Mary Joy. Mag-iba pa po ng bahay, Ma'am Mary Joy. Jardel, para ma-ipin natin. Nasa GC po kayo ni Ma'am Lin, oh. Nasa GC pa kayo ni Ma'am Lin, oh. Nasa GC pa kayo, Ma'am Mary Joy? Mary Joy.
Ang puno ng health opinions.
Ayan, malapit na po. Mapulwats ito. 10 minutes ka. AGP Pinoy, 10 minutes na siya. Ayan, at magsisinkron tayo dyan ng paying. Simula tayo kay Ma'am Shally ulit. Tirahin natin yung pinakamahaba niyang video. Ba, may 70 minutes din natin yan. May 70 minutes yun si Madam Shally. Namaya, titirahin natin ng Mary Joy, baba ng bahay, Mary Joy. Paminsan-minsan, aaalala pa rin kita. Kahit ngayon, mayroon